Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the project and creating reliable hooks. Identify the nav element and assign a stable ID or class so you can target it precisely. Once done, add a base CSS reset and viewport meta tag to prevent layout shifts when the bar becomes fixed. Make sure to remove conflicting inline styles and test in a dev build before proceeding so changes are predictable and reversible. You now implement the fixed positioning. Set position, fixed, top, 0, width, 100%, and a high z-index so the bar stays on top. Once done, measure the nav height and add equivalent padding top to the body so page content doesn't hide beneath the bar. Make sure to add media queries to adjust height and padding on small screens, and test interactions like drop-downs or sticky shadow to maintain usable navigation. You finish by enhancing UX and validating accessibility. Add a subtle shadow or backdrop blur and CSS transition for smoothness. This helps users notice the fixed state. Once done, test keyboard navigation and screen readers, and check mobile browsers for address bar hiding quirks. If you see content overlap after dynamic changes, recalc the nav height with a small JS function and update body padding. If problems persist, temporarily disable other layout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.